Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Pretty spreadsheets for profit review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this training program called Pretty Spreadsheets for Profits. So this is that review, and right now we are on a sales page where it says, do you want to find out how to create beautiful looking spreadsheets without the steep learning curve? Want to add a new lucrative digital product to your Etsy shop or online store? This is the course you have been waiting for. This is the course that takes all the hard work out of the cracking the code to create in-demand spreadsheets that stand out from the competition. Discover the benefits of selling spreadsheets on Etsy. So this is what this course is going to teach you: how to sell spreadsheets on Etsy.com, right? Now, if you are into printables or you have been selling some digital things on Etsy or some other websites, maybe you want to add these beautiful spreadsheets as well. Now, I do not work in this niche, so I cannot personally tell you what you will learn inside, but you will be learning from experienced vendors, okay? So let's get done with the sales page. So it says, let's take a look at the numbers from E-Rank Exercise Tracker. So go and check out the sales page in your free time. This is the URL. You can type it manually and visit the sales page. There's no affiliate link for this one. And yeah, so let's get to the bottom. And then I'll show you the vendors who are behind this product. It's $29, okay, and it's a video training. So Mitzy Thompson, she's the vendor, or she's the creator of this training program. If you come on here, the profile, you click on this picture and you will see she launched 3 products so far, including this one today. Your first one was rapid printable creation, then it was mock-up profit multiplier, and the stars are shining. We have 4.75 out of 5 stars, so it's very knowledgeable lady she is, and you can learn from the person who does it herself, okay? So if you are interested into exploring this micro niche of selling some spreadsheets on Etsy.com, and you want to know all the steps, how to go and create these spreadsheets, how to maybe sell this on Etsy.com, how to rank the traffic, this and that. So I'm assuming that she has covered everything inside this training program called Pretty Spreadsheet for Profits. There are not many OTOs. There's only one OTO for $67. That is PLR spreadsheets. So I guess you will be getting access to some PLR spreadsheets which you can possibly sell on Etsy.com, okay? Any more questions do we have here? Let's see. I don't think so, right? So that's all about it. So in case you are interested in getting this training program, which will teach you about how to create these spreadsheets, digital one, and sell them on Etsy.com, go and learn from those people who are doing it, who does these things themselves, okay? So Mitzy Thompson, a good vendor as per her profile, and if you are interested, go and buy. But again, this is not going to cater the big audience, okay? So it is not for everybody. For example, you might not be interested in this field, okay? You might not be willing to sell something on Etsy.com. You might not be willing to sell anything at all to make money online, okay? So if you are into this niche and you want to get this training program, you can go and buy. Otherwise, if you are here only to make money on the internet and you want to make money without even selling anything, you can do one of these things here. You can come below my YouTube video here and check out these links one by one. First of all, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, okay? And the first link says here, make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, what is Forex trading? Forex trading is currency trading, where we buy the currency at low price and we sell the currency when the price goes up, okay? So you can see this graph here. So we will be setting up this graph, right? And then we will be setting up a software, and that software does the trading on our behalf automatically, okay? So once you come below my video, click on the first link, come on this page here, enter your email address, enter your name, and then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch the videos there, a couple of videos, to understand what this thing is all about, okay? This thing is going to make you 70% profits weekly. So this will be working on a profit sharing basis. So you do not have to do anything. This will be completely on autopilot. I will be handling all this for you. I will be creating this graph and software or whatever I'm talking about. I will be managing everything. You will be keeping 70% every week. I will be keeping 30%. Okay. So to know more in detail, go and watch these videos after entering your details here. Second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now. In case you want to make money on YouTube without even selling anything, then you have to get your YouTube channel monetized. And to get your YouTube channel monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. Okay. With the help of Traffic Jarvis, you will get them in 2 weeks only. And after that, your channel will be monetized. Then you can make these reviews. People will come and see your videos, and they will also see some ads because you have seen some ads in my video, and those ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay. The same way you can make YouTube videos. People will watch your videos and they will be watching those ads. That's how you will make money without even selling anything, right? In Traffic Jarvis, you will also learn how to make these reviews, how to do affiliate marketing, email marketing, and just carry on doing it, right? The difference between the first option and the second option is that the first option is totally on autopilot, okay? And the second one, Traffic Jarvis, will require you to work manually, right? So go and choose here whatever you want to do. And again, pretty spreadsheet training course regarding etsy.com, regarding selling these spreadsheets on etsy.com. And I did not know I can do that. I did not know I can take this picture and rotate it on the wholesale page. That's a cool thing, right? Let's put her back. All right. So yeah, we got it. She's in one piece now. So if you want to make money without selling, without going on Etsy or anything, then check out the first link: forex trading, automation, profit sharing, 30/70. Traffic Jarvis, make money on YouTube for, I guess, using these YouTube videos, free traffic. Okay. In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and now I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube, Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay. So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay. You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kish Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kish Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kish Tracking training. And this Kish Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.